What's up, YouTube?
Uh,
It's me. Of course, nobody knows me because I'm not popular. Ha! What's new? But I got a salt gun, one of these, and well, within 2 days, the lid action broke. The little button that you push to actually open the lid. So I started using a nickel after contacting customer service, whatever, and they sent me a lid replacement. I put it on there. Of course, I already knew it wasn't gonna work, but that's okay. I put it on there, didn't work. Sent them the video. I haven't gotten no word back, so I guess this gun is defective enough so they don't want to replace it. So I don't give a fuck. So I put tape on it, and it keeps the lid from popping up when I fire. And I just got tongue piercing. I got it Friday. Today is Monday night. I got it Friday afternoon. And we use sea salt for your water mixture to wash your mouth out and shit. Anyway, I went out and I bought fine grounded sea salt, which is right here. Now I'm going to show a quick difference between grounded sea salt and the table salt they want you to shoot. It's not a very big difference. So I decided I would try it. Mainly because I really don't give a fuck about their goddamn warranty. Because it's the same fucking thing. Look, okay. Right here. Let me turn the camera around. No, I can't. That's regular iodized salt. Cheapest shit you can get. I paid 39 cents for that. I paid $3 for this. Now you see the difference? I'm gonna try to let the camera focus. But you see how the sea salt right here is bigger grained. It's pretty much the same size grain almost. A little bit bigger. But there's not as many small particles as your regular table salt. Okay. Well, I put the test on some tinfoil. You can do it yourself, but that's at your own risk because it's going to void your manufacturer warranty on your gun. But we all want more power. We want more penetration with our shots. Now I'm going to tell you ups and downs. Your regular table salt has a decent amount of damage in that gun. This isn't for the long gun. This is for the ones that shoot less salt. Which I didn't really pay attention when I bought it, so of course I'm going to get a long guard and probably do the same video. It's just right now I'm trying to get my $50 worth out of this one. So yeah. But your regular table salt, yes, it shoots a nice wide spray, but not much damage, not much devastation. I mean, they're close to the same, but it doesn't work for bigger, and bigger is always better. So I got the sea salt in here right now, and I've been killing roaches all day with it. Not a single fucking problem. It literally, I think it helps the gun. Because when I was using regular table salt, that shit over there, that cheap shit, it would, if you fill the fucking container, this little reservoir right here, I pull the tape back. Well, I ain't got to pull the tape back for you. If you're looking at it, you got one. This little reservoir right here that I got the tape over, it gets jammed a lot. At least mine does. So, I was rinsing my mouth out, I think it was Saturday. I thought, why not try it in this gun? I have filled this thing up 4 times shooting bugs since I started using sea salt. The fine sea salt though. Right here. I'm gonna give you a little, show you exactly what it looks like. Fine sea salt. Okay? It's expensive, but the gun has not jammed once, It has always fired, and I have not had a single problem with it. But with the regular table salt right here, I don't know how many full loads I've dumped in a little bit of time I've had this gun with this shit in it, and had to put water in it and all that bullshit. So yeah, sorry, still getting used to the ring, but the sea salt works way better. You don't get as much as a spread as you do with the sorry y'all, as you do with the regular table salt, but you do get just a pinch more damage with your shots, which with the roaches I have been dealing with, instead of 3 shots to kill them, it only takes 1. So imagine the lawn and garden, which I'm gonna get as soon as I can afford it. I have a lot of other shit to deal with right now, but as soon as I can afford it, I will buy the lawn and garden, and I will put sea salt in it. Fuck the goddamn warranty. I don't really care. And I will let you all know how that one goes. But for now, for your 2.0s that shoot less salt, it works better with sea salt. Fine sea salt though. That's the only one I've used so far. And I was gonna use sand, but that was kind of a stupid idea, and they said avoid the warranty, yada yada yada, which kind of makes sense in a way. But for now, I'm having pretty good results with the fine sea salt. So I will not be trying to sand until I get the lawn and garden. When I get the lawn and garden, then I will, depending on how many views I get on this video, I will put sand in this piece of junk. This $50 piece of junk, since they won't replace it, or fucking hit me back on email. And I will see how it shoots sand. And of course, I did my tinfoil shots. Y'all can do it yourselves. Tinfoil I use is kind of old and wrinkly. You're not gonna really see the difference on video, but I can tell you the regular salt at about 1.5 foot dented it, had 2 little penetrations, just 2. It might have been less than 2 foot, you know, I was just kind of saying there. It might have been probably a foot and a half. And then the sea salt had double the penetration, but just less spread because it was bigger chunks. Not just that, is when I shot my target with the sea salt, the salt didn't turn to dust and come all back at me and I'm breathing it in and shit. I know if you're playing with these things, then you deal with that a lot, because that was fucking me up a lot. Fucking shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting at anything that fucking moves, even fucking dust, not realizing it was dust. I'm just shooting at whatever the fuck I think is a bug, even the tiniest bug, and it could be the size of a flea. I'm gonna shoot at it, and it would dust everywhere, like get all over me. I breathe it in, it'd be floating in the air for that few seconds of shooting. But with the sea salt, it doesn't do that. Out of this whole container I shot, let's see it. I mean, I haven't filled it up. There ain't very much left in there. Probably at the top of the little indicator thing that you look in there. You just start to see light in the indicator, if that gives you an idea. I've got salt in my eyes like twice. But it was like 2 seconds, one piece. And that was if I was like staring straight at a wall, shooting point blank. So I recommend not to do that. Kind of shoot at them in an angle, so your shot reflects in the angle. But other than that, it was fun. Yeah, I definitely recommend putting fine sea salt in your salt gun. Thank you, YouTube. Have a good night. No, it didn't shoot. Of course. It's a fucking salt gun, dude. What the fuck? Where's the real guns? Hit me up, YouTube. Have a good night.